Hi guys, I'm Chef Alina Z, and today I'm gonna show you how to have a fling with pizza, a one-night stand you might call, and feel amazing afterwards, so you don't feel guilty, you don't feel bloated, you don't feel tired. So let me show you how it's done. And I'm gonna show you how to have keto pizza. One of the reasons why I wanted to do the pizza segment is because one of my clients inspired me back after her success on her health journey, using my tips that I'm going to share with you, how to have your cake and eat it too, so to speak, and how to enjoy the food that you really, really love without feeling guilty afterwards. So here are my 3 Z tips to having a fling with pizza and not feeling guilty afterwards. Number 1, we want to use protection. Protection against free radicals, protection against the environment by eating your veggies. Super, super important to have your salad. I love roasted vegetables in a salad because it feels more nourishing and as a comfort food. But it's super important to have salad first. At least, you don't have to have the whole thing, but at least eat a cup of it so you are feeling full and you're feeling nourished. Tip number 2 is protect yourself from pesticides by choosing either organic pizza crust or gluten-free pizza crust. They have so many pesticides in conventionally grown wheat that is what often makes people sick. So try to avoid that. And Z tip number 3, either have organic pasture-raised cheese with no hormones or antibiotics added, or opt for vegan cheese. So here I have all of these things represented, so you can see we have a salad, we have a gluten-free pizza with A, organic, no hormones, antibiotics cheese, or B, we have the gluten-free pizza with the vegan cheese. So now we're protected. We can have a one-night stand or a little fling with the pizza and feel great afterwards. Stretchy, stretchy pizza. It's good. My first time trying it here. So the cheese here, no hormones, antibiotics. But for those who want to do a plant-based pizza, this is a homemade almond ricotta. I'm gonna test it out. I love my job. It's not like the melted cheese pizza, but it's really good. Like, you get plant-based nutrition, gluten-free crust. I'm feeling good in my soul right now. Well, that was super yummy. I have a lot of it to go because we have another place to go to. I'm gonna show you where to have a low-carb pizza that you can have on a keto diet. You wanna know? Come with me. So, we are in the California Pizza Kitchen, and yes, I'm bringing a little piece of California to you. And you know what? There's so many locations of this place around the country. Go check them out because they have a lunch menu with gluten-free cauliflower crust pizza, and it's $11 and comes with a salad that's going to protect you from free radicals. And the small little pizza, well, not too small, it's like 2 slices, has about 26 grams of net carbs, so it's awesome. It's only $11, awesome. Small size, awesome. So everything is awesome. They do not, however, say if the cheese is with no hormones or whatnot, but if you're having a one-night stand and a little fling with pizza, this is the place to go. So I can't wait to try it. Look how cute! We have spinach, tons of protein, and then the mushrooms, like 0 calories really, but they have vitamin D. And the pizza is so small, it's like 2 slices of regular pizza. So good. This is really good. Okay, so quick and easy tutorial on carbs. So there's 3 main food groups. Macros, the fats, the carbs, and the protein. And your body uses carbs the most because it's the easiest one to turn into sugar, and every cell in your body runs on sugar. So if you have something sweet, like a sugary drink, you get energy right away. Your body doesn't have to work hard to get that energy and give it to you. When you're eating something that doesn't have any carbs and doesn't have any sugars, your body has to make it into energy. It has to turn it into ketones, and then your body uses that for energy. When you don't have enough carbs and you're restricting your calories, your body has to burn your own fat. And you're also training your body to burn your own fat. One of the big things on keto diets and intermittent fasting diets is when you don't eat the carbs and you eat the fats during the time when you don't eat during the fasting period. Your body is now trained to burn the fat, so it starts burning your own fat instead of asking you for carbs and having those cravings. Oh my God, you guys, I'm so full. This was a double lunch, almost like triple pizza. I don't think I can do this again for anytime soon. But there is a way to eat pizza every day if you choose to, and I'm going to show you how to do it at home at another episode. But meanwhile, I hope you enjoyed it and you learn how to have your pizza and eat it too. Until later, bye.